In this video, I'm going to show you how to top mount a camera. Top mounting a camera is probably the most common and popular way, likely because it's the most simple. When you get your Sisu robot, it comes with this cheese plate that mounts to the robot, and then there's a dovetail, and it comes with this dovetail clamp. So in order to top mount your camera, you just take off that dovetail clamp. We're going to mount that to the camera, and then we'll put it right on the dovetail. Before we move on, just a couple of notes on the screw pattern. You've got to have at least 2 screws to mount your camera to any way you mount it, whether it's using this dovetail clamp or not. You got to have at least 2, preferably not in a line like this, but spread out this way. If you can get more screws in there, that just adds more stability, so we recommend that. So now all I need to do is slide my camera on my dovetail, tighten it down. Then I'll add my power cable and my SDI. For power, DTAP is, we got power at DTAP here on the combo cable. So I'll just plug right into that. And that into the camera. And then for SDI, that comes out right here. And plug that into the camera. All right, and then I'll clean that up a little bit and we're ready to go.